Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am attempting to get some, bouncy textured curls. And the way I'm choosing to do that is with some hot rollers. It's the Remington Pro with Pearl ceramic technology. You guys, I've never in my life used hot rollers. This is my first time. So I don't know how this is going to turn out. This is an experiment for the both of us. So let's get started. I did not blow dry my hair like fully straight like I could normally do because I didn't want, bone straight hair. So after I shampooed my hair last night, I just put it into a low braid and put it into a little bun, and this is the results. Talk about textured curls, girl. You did that, okay? All right, so, okay. I can go off of what I've seen people do. I do have hair clips. I'm just too lazy to actually go get them. So there's that. I do not have any type of moisturizer or oils in my hair currently. So I don't know how this is going to turn out. I'm going to take a big one and they're pretty hot. They're pretty hot for sure. Let's try and take a little bit. I have a really big head, so bear with me, people. So I'm just going to go down the center of my head in the same backward motion until I reach about here, and then I'm going to flip it up. Whew. This is hot, you guys. I don't feel like I need a glove or anything, but it's definitely now this one I'm going to do upwards. Okay, so I'm going to divide this into two. This is such a large section. I feel like I need to put this into two sections. Okay, and the back, I want this to flip curly up like that. I'm using all of the bigger ones just because I want super, I don't want super tight curls. So I am using all of the bigger ones first. And if I need any additional ones, then of course I'll use the smaller ones. Tell you one thing, these suckers are warm. That is for sure. They're not hot, but they're right there. They're right there. Do you guys count this as a heat pass even though it's not super hot? I forgot to spray my hair with heat protectant. I sprayed my hair with heat protectant twice yesterday. Does that count? It's gonna have to count today because I got started without putting any heat protectant in. But okay, got this side done. I'm so pumped. I'm excited to see what this actually looks like. Okay, so I've used all of the bigger ones, so I have to use the smaller ones on this side. It's whatever. I'll probably flip it over anyway. This one don't feel hot. There's no on and off button. I really wish it had like a on and off button so you can like really know when it's on and when it's off. There's a light on the top, but the light didn't even come on when I like when I first plugged it in and it started warming up. The light didn't even come on, so I'm not sure why that light is there. That's weird. Some of them were really hot, some of them were not, so I don't know how it's gonna turn out. I don't feel like these are gonna be tight at all. All right, so this is my last one and I do have one roller left. So, and I think it's because this top piece I did up here is so thick. Yeah, here we are. So I'm supposed to let this sit for 5 minutes and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna let it sit for 5 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's been 5 minutes. For the most part, they feel cool. So, girl, somebody did it. Somebody did it. How am I not doing this right? Come on. There we go. Ooh! That's how I like it to come out. So, I think I got my textured bouncy curls. So I am going to use the Olaplex 6 and the Olaplex 7. Okay. Let's see what it looks like down the center. Ooh. April, I think you done did something, girl. I like it. What do you guys think? As far as my edges, I'm not messing with them girls today. I feel like I've been messing with my edges so much as of late. So I'm definitely not messing with them. This gives me that 70s blowout look. So you guys, literally the only thing I did was shampoo, deep condition my hair, and put my leave-in conditioners in, put my hair into a low braid, and that was it. I put my bonnet on, I went to sleep. There was nothing extra put in my hair. However, I did add extra just now. For my first time using it, I mean, I like it. I didn't want straight hair. I wanted textured curls, and that is exactly what I got. So it's a win for me. I was actually thinking about cutting some curtain bangs. So I'm glad that it kind of like curled in that way. I like that. Ooh, you can get ready for date night in like no time, girl. With this, And you might be working with something, Diana. Come on, Diana Ross. Give me life today, Diana. Period. I don't know if it's gonna last throughout the day. Time will tell. But I'm really feeling, you know, my inner Diana Ross right now. And I'm loving every moment of it. And if you guys do have an interest in this hot roller set, the link is in the description box down below. And until the next time, be love.